Are you wanting to learn more about your home's crawl space? Maybe you're experiencing some mold, some musty odors, water damage, or even sagging floors. If so, you've came to the right video to learn more. Hi, I'm Nolan Berry, the sales director here at AccuLevel. If you jumped onto this video, you're probably wanting to take a deep dive into your crawl space and what kind of repairs that you need to look for, or what kind of repairs that already need to be done in your crawl space. So our goal through this course is to take you on a deep dive into your crawl space, the components of it, the symptoms to look out for, or even stuff that you can do yourself to inspect and be sure that you've got a healthy, clean crawl space. So at the end of this course, our goal is for you to be an expert at your own crawl space. And so what are we going to talk about, or what topics are we going to have in this course? First, what is a crawl space? Second, types of problems that occur in a crawl space. Third, crawl space crack repair. Fourth, crawl space doors. And finally, how crawl spaces are repaired. Each of these sections will also have their own chapters that'll cover stuff such as sagging floors, mold, and waterproofing your crawl space. Through this course, you can expect to learn a lot about these topics, such as looking and diagnosing the crawl space repairs yourself, and also what each repair would cost you. Thank you for watching this video. We look forward to helping you become an expert in all things crawl space related. Please click the link below to go ahead and jump into the next videos and courses on this topic. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.